Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a tight set of sources and tools so you don't drown in noise. Use RSS, TweetDeck, Google Trends, and 3-5 niche communities to capture early signals. Subscribe, create columns, and export a simple baseline, current mention counts, and engagement rates so you can compare later. This initial setup tells you what normal looks like. Once done, you'll detect deviations quickly and avoid chasing random spikes that aren't real trends. You now quantify patterns and separate noise from signal. Measure velocity, mentions per day, and percentage change over 24 to 72 hours. Then cross-check platforms so spikes on one network aren't isolated anomalies. Use keyword co-occurrence and sentiment to infer intent. Is this breaking news, a recurring evergreen topic, or a viral moment? Make sure to normalize for time zones and bot activity. Once you standardize metrics, you'll prioritize topics that show. You finish by validating and converting the trend into action. Cross-validate with search volume and reputable secondary sources. If both rise, prepare your angle, headline, and optimal timing for posting. Publish early but measured, and monitor engagement metrics to iterate. If things go wrong, low pickup, or weird patterns, check for bot-driven spikes, sudden paid promotions, or sampling bias in your feeds. Adjust filters and recalibrate your baseline. Then repeat the velocity checks to avoid false positives.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.